Oh my God, what is this, Barkley? What are we standing on?
Ken, this is a DJI Enterprise Series Matrice 4T.
Oh. I'm sorry, what? Never mind. Barkley, what is this beautiful thing you have here?
That is a Matrice 4T.
Oh my gosh. And the thing I touched just now says, don't touch. What are you doing with this?
Actually, Jenna started a company called Hawkeye Aerials.
Oh.
Hi, boys.
Hi, Jenna. That's enough, get out.
This is the speaker. It's an add-on. And you can see it screws in here onto the lights. And there's lights left and right. The lights will go up and down as the camera tilts up and down.
Okay.
These, of course, we know what those are.
Uh-huh.
And then in front, we have rangefinder, thermal camera, regular camera, and a telescopic camera. This is a built-in RTK, comes with it, and also the strobe light in the back.
So you don't need to add one.
You do not.
And the battery is about as big as a Mini.
Probably weighs more than a Mini, yeah.
It feels like it weighs more than some little drones.
I think the battery itself is over 250.
How long does this massive battery last? How long of flights can you get on this thing?
Supposedly 40 minutes.
And how much does the thing weigh? Do you know?
Probably as much as my first car.
We'll put that on the screen. There it is. There, that's what it weighs.
That's what it weighs.
But that's without all the gear. We'll add some for the gear. Holy hell, that's a controller right there. Oh.
Ain't it nice? Look at the size of this. Look at all the optional buttons here.
Right.
Left 1, 2, 3, right 1, 2, 3.
How long have you had it?
About 3 months.
Okay, so you're still learning. Have you fiddled with the thermal at all? It's probably one of the first things you fiddle with.
We did.
What is the resolution? Do you know offhand?
I do not, but it's
right, there it is on the screen. Yeah, look at that. There it is. Yeah. This looks a lot more complicated than your average controller software.
Way more complicated.
But once you learn it, you'll be an asset to your community.
We will indeed. Look, it says, Ken Heron not allowed to fly this drone.
I don't think it says that.
It does.
This really is an impressive bit of kit.
It is.
Now, you bought this before the tariffs? Pre-tariff?
Oh yeah, before the ban.
Okay, yeah. Ban. If you want one, I'll put a link in the description where you can get one from a third party.
We can turn, this is the lights. So the lights go on.
Okay.
If you gimbal down, let's say you're flying in the air, you'll see the lights also.
Oh, they're tracking.
Yeah.
What's that? What's this?
That's the speaker, Ken.
How much did this drone cost?
Too much.
Oh, you can increase the volume.
Yes.
Hearing may be damaged. We're gonna go. Oh, go! Oh! Holy! What the? Okay, so this is designed to be clearly, duh. It even warns you.
And then we'll go infrared. Poof.
Okay, let me go over there.
Yeah.
Jen, turn around. So is this
move
cold?
This. I'm moving that.
Is this cold? Like
Should
if I
don't know,
heat up my hand.
Yeah.
And put it on her back. Right?
Okay.
And then I'll take it away.
Okay.
Can you,
Oh yeah.
You can?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Can you see that?
Oh my God, it's.
Jenna, spin around there real quick. Who's got the hotter ass?
Jenna by far.
But you knew that before the thermal.
I did.
All right, enough shenanigans. Can we go outside and fly this thing?
We can.
Not a lot of people have RTK versions of drones.
That's right.
What's the advantage of RTK if people don't know?
Right here.
Oh, there it is on the screen. You want me to fly it?
Yeah.
Like, okay, you want to demonstrate and then let me fly it?
Well, no, what you can do is hand me your car keys.
Yeah. Where do I hook in? Where do I hook my, there's no,
No.
where the thing, does it do this or what?
Yeah, sorry. There we go.
Oh, this is so terrifying. Whoa. So we'll just let it kind of get its bearings? Does it already have all the satellites?
21 so far, that I saw.
How do we look in there? We look pretty good?
We're stunning.
Can you switch to thermal while the other camera is still recording? Or does it stop the recording of one camera and...
I don't know, let's find out.
Oh, okay. L1.
Ooh.
Okay. It didn't stop recording. So is it recording thermal now? Or is it still recording? My question is, does it record multiple cameras?
Let's find out.
How about if we just put it on the screen? Hold on. Do I hit this?
It's right here.
Okay. Do I hit that again and we're normal? Okay. All right, good.
And or zoom. If you want to do a
This
quick,
is a zoom?
you quick zoom right here.
Yeah.
Look, boink.
Oh, what are we zooming?
You.
Oh, I think that's your breast.
It is.
Yeah. Oh, that's hard.
It's been a while.
You've been working out? You trust me to fly? I mean, it's an open area.
Yes, I do.
Okay. It does feel really steady. Like really steady. Let me hit. Okay, there we go. And will it zoom in
Yes.
thermal?
Just push L2.
L2.
Oh, it did not do that.
Oh, it didn't. Okay, so it maybe zoom in and then hit that. Nope. Well, it's a separate camera. Of course.
Is. Yes.
Okay, I'm just hitting all the. So let's see how hot your dog is. All right.
Yeah.
So say we're doing a search and rescue on a old 11-year-old dog.
That's right. Gimbal down. Look at him. See?
Look at him. All right, I'm gonna go up. I'm just fascinated with this thermal stuff. I want to take a look around. Now you haven't driven any of these cars in a while, clearly.
It's true.
You can see that it's air conditioned in your little studio there. So the gimbal up to the trees. Wow, okay, this is really, I'm gonna put the resolution on the screen because you can see the branches are warmer, obviously, than the leaves. And I'm sure we're actually seeing some branches, maybe through some leaves even, if they're thin enough. But this is, what a perfect tool for search and rescue.
Exactly.
You're gonna be somebody's hero, Barkley. Uh-oh, infrared's.
Oh, it's probably looking into the sun.
Oh, it was. Oh, well, I found a way to break your drone.
Give me the car keys. Thank you.
Okay.
I got them.
Good talking to you.
RX-8.
All right.
Yes.
I thought I was flying safely, and then I broke your $1 million camera. Yeah, so it's a good thing it does that. Have you done that before yourself?
I fly this at night.
Oh, you haven't flown it in the daytime?
No. I'm going to another mode.
Another mode? What mode? What mode is that?
Let's find out.
Oh, you find out. I can't be held responsible. People in the comments, why did you let Ken fly your drone?
Enjoy the beautiful view.
Yeah, this is.
We'll turn around.
By the way, in case you were wondering where BFE is, I'm in it.
That's right.
Would you agree, Jenna?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
BFN.
Ken Heron,
Oh, you can hear that.
can you hear me? Huh?
That is super loud, man. What is it?
We're low on battery.
Well, you better land it. Is that max volume?
No. Wait.
Oh my God. I'm running out of battery. Land me. Barkley, do you trust me?
Yes.
How much do you trust me?
Oh, a lot.
Yeah? Do you trust me enough to hand catch your $7,000 drone?
Absolutely.
Really? Have you done it?
Absolutely, I will not. I do hand catch, but not that one.
My first time. Oh, that was easy. God, now I want one. Oh, is that where the IOU goes?
Let's see. It's the original price plus
Right.
the tariff.
Yeah.
Plus now the absolutely no way to catch one of these in the United States.
And now it's time for a giveaway.
Oh, no.
But luckily, I do have something to give away, and it's this. That is the SharGeek 300 Power Bank. This is actually a Kickstarter right now, and the company probably doesn't want me to give it away.
It's also really cool. You can see the cells in the back.
Right, and it's got a really cool display on the front. It's got DC in and out, it's got a USB out, it's got USB-C, and I mean, it's different powers. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this on real quick so you can see the display. Look at that. It's got RGB lighting in the damn thing. Comment below in the description with
Charge me up, Ken.
I like it. Charge me up, Ken. That's good. I will pick a winner from those who commented. Until next time, buh.
And bye.
Here you go. What do you think of that, buddy? It's a $7,000 chew toy. Yeah. You ready? You know what you're gonna say?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Do you?
Nope. Barkley, what is this thing?
Ken, that is the Matrice 4T for thermal.
4T? I turned 50 about 9 years ago.
What's the difference between a Ken Heron story and a knife?
What?
A knife has a point.
You may not be able to buy it directly from DJI unless you send it to Beauchart's house in Canada first, and then he keisters it and then mules it across the border, but you know, maybe you prefer that. But you can get them.
There is an extra fee for that, though.
Oh yes, a Beauchart keystering, that's gonna be extra. You can smell the maple. I've never used one of these before. Oh, come on. Oh, rear wash. Oh! Oh! How does it know where it is? Somehow it used AI to detect right where the water needed to go. Ooh, blow dry. Oh. Oh. No, that's nice. It's got a camera so you can check to see if it got it all. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Well, that's the end. Until next time, buh. And bye. I gotta flush now. Too fancy.